In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a background image in Wix Studio. If you're looking to take your website design to the next level, adding a background image can be a simple yet impactful way to enhance the look and feel of your site. Whether you're creating a personal blog, a business page, or an online store, having a visually appealing background can help set the tone for your brand and engage your visitors. The process is straightforward, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to confidently change or add background images to any section of your Wix website. So, let's dive right in. The first step is to log into your Wix account. This is your starting point for accessing all the tools and features Wix has to offer. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your dashboard. From here, select the site you want to edit. If you manage multiple sites, just click on the one you want to work on today. Next, open the Wix website editor. This is where the magic happens. The editor is a user-friendly platform that allows you to customize every aspect of your website. Once you're in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, if you're new to it. You'll see your website displayed in the main area, with various editing tools and options surrounding it. Now, identify the section where you want to add or change the background image. Hover your cursor over this section, and you'll notice that it becomes highlighted. This is Wix's way of showing you which part of the website you're about to edit. Once you've found the right section, click on it to select it. This ensures that any changes you make will only apply to that specific area of your site. With the section selected, look at the toolbar that appears here. You'll find an option labeled Change Background. Click on it and a menu will pop up giving you different background options. From this menu, select Image. This is the option you'll use to add a photo as your background. At this point, you can either browse through Wix's image library or upload your own image. The library offers a wide variety of high-quality photos, so feel free to explore and find one that suits your website's theme. If you already have an image you'd like to use, simply click the Upload button and choose the file from your computer. Once you've found the perfect image, click on it to select. After selecting your image, click Change Background again to apply it to the section. Your chosen image will now appear as the background for that part of your website. Take a moment to review the updated section and see how the new background fits with the overall design of your site. If it looks great, you're all set. If not, don't worry, you can easily adjust the image or repeat the steps to try a different one. That's all there is to it. Repeat these steps for other sections of your website if needed, and remember that you can always tweak the design later if you change your mind. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.